Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer weights in Blender. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So without any further ado, let's get started. So weight transfer in Blender allows you to copy vertex weights from one mesh, which is the source, to another mesh, which is the target. So this is one of the fastest way to rig clothing, armor, hair accessories, or edited character meshes without painting waste so what will you need is yes, you need to have a rig character created, or you can just import from the internet, and another mesh which is the target mesh, such as the clothing, armor, hair, or modified body. Ensure that both meshes are in roughly the same position. The mesh use the same scale. The armature is already working correctly. The target mesh roughly matches the source body. So now we need to transfer the weight now. So open the Blender, as you can see, create a new project and import your FBX file right here, or OBJ file right here, which has an armature. So now open your character project. So identify the source mesh. So the source is the mesh that already deforms correctly. So example, which is the body or the character. So if we go back, if we go to the collection right here, it is the cube right here. So this is the source mesh right here. So identify the target mesh. So the target is the object receiving the, for example, the shirt, armor, hair, cape, or gloves. So now I also imported now the target mesh, which is this things right here, this piercing. So let's say if it works. So now we have a target mesh and a source mesh. So initially the target usually has no usable vertex ways. So you need to position the mesh. So we need to position this one right here. So let's say we move it to this one right here. And we rotate it sideways. Now we move it again. Right, making sure that the files or the mesh are, so yes, you can see right there. So now the two mesh are now aligned. So weight transfer lies on the meshes being spatially close. So now you need to apply scale. Select the source mesh. So this is the source mesh. Control A. Press Control A. Then you need to use scale right here and repeat for target mesh and armature if necessary. You're good now. So matching scales help avoid transfer issue. So select the target first. So what you're going to do now, select the target, then the target becomes an active object. Now select the source second, hold shift, then click source mesh, right that. So the source mesh should be the active last selected object while the target mesh remains selected. So now you need to just switch to weight paint mode. So from the top left, just change the object mode to weight paint mode. So now with the target mesh being active, then open the weights menu in the 3D viewport header. This one, weights menu right here. Then click the transfer weights. As you can see, you click transfer weight. Now Blender copies the vertex weight from the active source mesh to the target mesh. So now you need to adjust the mapping option after running the operator. Open the adjust last operation panel from the bottom left of the viewport, or you can press F9. F9. Common settings like vertical mapping right here. So make it nearest face interpolated. Make it to nearest place interpolated. And for the other option, make it the nearest vertex, nearest face, and project face interpolated. Now verify the vertex group. Select the target mesh right here. Now you need to select the target mesh now, and you need to click object properties now. So you should now see bone names such as uh, upper arm R, forearm L, forearm right, head, neck, etc., like that. So you should be seeing all of that right now. This one right here. Yeah, that's it. That's how to transfer weights in Blender, and also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.